Now, amid a lot of tension and rumblings between the central BJP leadership and the UP leadership, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be meeting with Prime Minister Modi and BJP Chief JP Nadda today in the capital. Yesterday, Yogi had a 1.5-hour-long meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah. He also met Jitin Prasad, who recently dumped Congress to join the BJP. And remember that all of these key meetings come ahead of the upcoming Uttar Pradesh elections.
The last 2 months have been very challenging for Yogi Adityanath. On Thursday, in the backdrop of growing discontentment over handling of second wave, the Chief Minister arrived in the capital and within an hour headed to meet Home Minister Amit Shah. Yogi and Shah were closeted for an hour and a half at the Home Minister's house. Even as this meeting was underway, BJP President JP Nadda met Prime Minister Modi at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, hours ahead of his scheduled meeting with Yogi Adityanath. Party sources have told India Today that the top BJP leadership was unhappy with the functioning of the Uttar Pradesh government, especially the handling of the COVID crisis. The fissures between Yogi and the central party leadership were evident then. The Chief Minister was not invited to the BJP-RSS stock-taking meeting. PM Modi's pictures are also missing from UP BJP and UP government's social media handles. India Today has learned that party leadership's discontentment with the UP government stems from a range of issues. Several BJP MPs and MLAs are learned to have complained to the BJP headquarters about Yogi's poor handling of the second wave. The anger rose especially after bodies were seen floating in the Ganga. The poor performance in the Panchayat polls and Yogi's reported opposition to the appointment of former bureaucrat A.K. Sharma, known to be close to Prime Minister, has widened the rift.
For the BJP, the countdown has begun for politically crucial election in Uttar Pradesh, and the underperformance in the recent Panchayat polls has not been encouraging. The party leadership's challenge is to revive BJP's governance in Uttar Pradesh. In Delhi with Paulmi Saha, Abhishek Mishra for India Today.
And let's also get you details of exactly what BJP's 8-point plan is, what they're going to be focusing on in the run-up to the Uttar Pradesh elections. First, they're going to be looking at making some minor changes in the government. We'll perhaps get more details on this after Yogi Adityanath's visit to Delhi concludes. There's also a focus right now on vaccination drive in Uttar Pradesh. Considering the vast population in UP, Yogi Adityanath wants to set the record straight on that because of a lot of criticism also that the BJP has faced due to the second COVID wave. Organizational strength, which could mean also some changes in the organizational structure of the party in Uttar Pradesh. Now, the BJP has always spoken about their development agenda. That's something they're going to be again harping and focusing on in the run-up to the Uttar Pradesh elections. Caste realignment, and this means not just with regards to their leaders on the ground, but also for their allies, is something that they're going to be focusing on. They're also going to be ensuring social welfare schemes are put in place for the poor to ensure that all of their schemes reach the poor and their policies benefit people of Uttar Pradesh. Alliances with more accommodation. There's been a lot of talk about allies being unhappy in Uttar Pradesh, so that's something they're going to be addressing, and also to bank on religious sentiments in the state of Uttar Pradesh amid all that we've seen also with regards to Ayodhya. So these are the 8 points that the BJP is going to be focusing on ahead of the Uttar Pradesh polls. And it is to really lay out this roadmap and this plan that Yogi Adityanath is in Delhi for. Now, let's also move on and focus on what's happening in Rajasthan, where the Congress is staring at a massive crisis. The Congress party is trying its best to go ahead and pacify